Okay, 2021 paper Tech Active. We're doing question 16. 6 marks for this question and it's on matrices. Gives us matrix A and then it's given a big formula that A to the 4th equals PA cubed plus QA squared plus RA plus 3I. We're going to use matrix algebra to determine the values of P, Q and R. Now, on my calculator, I've got to work out A to the 4th, A cubed, A squared. So let me do that. So I'm going to go math. I'm just going to do it this way rather than inputting. So we've got 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, oh, delete 2, 2, 1. Always take a second glance to make sure you've inputted it correctly. Now to the power of 4, that's going to give me, oh, that's big. So I've got 177, 176, 144, 144, 145, 120, 176, 176, 145. And that equals P outside of, I'm going to just go back up rather than inputting it. And delete and make that cubed. And that's 37, 38, 32, 32, 31, 25, 38, 38, 31. Plus Q, A squared. So again, I'm going to go up, just run through, delete, make it squared, 9, 8, 6, 6, 7, 6, 8, 8, 7, plus R outside of 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, plus 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, because it's 3 times the identity matrix. So that looks big and daunting. Getting it to this point is 1 mark on the mark scheme. We need to evaluate. Now I'm going to evaluate row 1 because it is just adding everything. So you could get a lot of different adding. So what I mean by that is row 1, corner 1. I'm going to have 177 equals 37P plus 9Q plus R plus 3. The middle digit, I'm going to go 176 equals 38P plus 8Q plus 2R plus 0. Just going that middle and the top row for everyone. Sorry about the wobbles. I was just given the wobbles. And so I can create simultaneous equations, can't I? So I'm getting these equations with unknowns. Now I have 3 unknowns, so I'm going to go for 3 equations. So I'm just going to do that third one on the top row, 32P, 6Q, 2R plus 0. So I've gotten 3 simultaneous equations. And I need to solve them. Now, keeping in mind, I need to solve them using matrix algebra. It's very clear that I must use matrix algebra. So I can't just go to solving simultaneously on my calculator. I'm going to do a rearrange. So I'm going to just do a rearrange with these equations. And I'm going to have 37P plus 9Q plus R equals 174. 38P plus 8Q plus 2R equals 176. 32P plus 6Q plus 2R equals 144. So just rearranging to get in that order. Because I'm then going to go, let me make it into matrices. 37, 9, 1, 38, 8, 2, 32, 6, 2, P, Q, R is my unknown, 174, 176, 144. So from having them in that order, I can then create my matrices to solve these simultaneous equations. So then from there I can go, okay, P, Q, R, it's going to have to be this. To put it over, I'm going to have to do the inverse, isn't it? So 37, 9, 1, 38, 8, 2, 32, 6, 2, to the negative 1, 174, 176, 144. So over on my calculator, I'm going to go a 3 by 3, 37, 9, 1, 38, 8, 2, 32, 6, oh, delete, 6, 2, to the power of negative 1, times 3, 1, 174, 176, 144. And I get 2, 10, 10. So P equals 2, Q equals 10, R equals 10. This was a 6-mark question. So it's quite large. There was a second bit of working paper that if you obviously doing it for the first time, need a bit of space for it. Or if your handwriting is a little bit messy, you want to give yourself your space. Basically, you get a mark for this. You get a mark for generating some equations. A mark for putting it in the right way. A mark for in matrix form, a mark for doing the inverse, a mark for your answer, and they also say you get a 1 mark for logical setting out. So setting it out in a way that they can follow. It's really good if you can give little clues to the marker, where you're going, what you're doing at each step. And that is question 16.